Hey there, Darryl Ng with Slim Fit Trim Health and Fitness and Western Style Martial Arts. Thanks for checking out this review that I've done for Vitacup, and I hope you find it really, really helpful. So I just did the unboxing of this, and I got 2 boxes from Vitacup. I've got the Infused Genius Blend, and I've got the Infused Probiotic Blend. And so what's kind of cool and novel that I think right now about having Vitacup is that there aren't any that I know of coffee on the market that's actually infused with vitamins. I know it's a kind of a novel idea. When you think about it, a lot of our foods, think about milk. Everything's infused with vitamins these days. You know, America actually has a deficiency of vitamins and minerals because a lot of us actually don't eat properly. And here we are in the greatest country in the world, and we have the best sources of nutrition, and yet we are always deficient, and we're tired. Some people get sick more often than others, and a lot of that's due to poor nutrition and vitamin deficiencies, and of course stress too. But anyway, so I have these here at my office since I have a Keurig here, but I've went ahead and I've made a 10-ounce cup of the Genius Blend. And man, I gotta tell you, my IQ is double the world record holder, which is I think is at 210 for their IQ. I'm at 420 because I have Genius Blend. Yeah, right. Anyway, what's really cool is this one's infused with MCT oils. It's got a little bit of a cinnamon flavor, turmeric, vitamins, vitamin D, the B vitamins, and there's antioxidants in here. This one's a probiotic blend, which has 1 billion probiotics with aloe vera and essential vitamins. So yeah, it's supposed to be a healthful coffee, and I'm a pretty energetic guy anyway, so I can tell you, just as a coffee lover and from Seattle, so I'm a bit of a snob, having a good drip coffee I like, and this one is roasted. They're all actually roasted in a medium roast. They use Arabica beans, and this one's got a really nice, full, rich flavor. I haven't noticed any acid reflux. I actually tried one yesterday. It's smooth. So anyway, I hope you want to give it a try. And it's also kind of keto friendly. So you can use keto creams or half and half. As a sugar replacement, you can use like stevia or erythritol. Excuse me. I have tried stevia. I like stevia, but it's got a little bit of a weird aftertaste to it. I haven't tried the erythritol yet, and I'll make a review of that down the road for you guys. But that would be a good sugar substitute as well, so you can keep your coffee keto friendly. So anyway, oh yeah, one other thing. These pods are really nice because Vitacup says these are fully recyclable. So anyway, I hope you take advantage of that, and you can check out my links down below, and hopefully you'll like this. Give me a thumbs up as well. I'll do some more reviews from you, and thanks a lot for supporting me and picking up the Vitacup. All right, thanks a lot. Take care. See ya.